On behalf of the Trained Nurses Association of India, Goa branch, I warmly welcome members of the press to today's press meet. It's in connection with the conference slated to be held in Goa, and which Goa branch is very proud to host. The conference is related to the global reach that all nurses will have and will continue to develop to have.
We are going to host this conference after 17 years in Goa, and we have a theme for this conference: Nursing on a Global Scale, Tomorrow Belongs to Us. It highlights that the role of nurses is very important. As far as today what we see, nurses are not taken into consideration while planning, but we want to highlight our role that nurses will play an important role in any healthcare decisions related to healthcare delivery.
So what is the aim of this conference?
Basically, the aim is like, first and foremost, there are not many issues which are going on centrally, globally regarding the nurses. With this conference, we want everyone to come together, share their thoughts. We would like to find out the ways out for any kind of solutions or any kind of problems which are there. Moreover, interaction, and through this interaction we come to know a lot of things. The networking is also there. Plus, it is moreover education based. Like we will be presenting the scientific papers in this. Research papers are also there. So it is education based also, and together all to solve many issues of the nurses.
So this, after this scientific, and any outcome means any report will be presented or anything would be there?
Yeah, definitely the report will be presented soon after the conference. We will be having one more press conference in that our central committee and the minister would be addressing to the press. That will be on track.
And how many nurses or trained nurses would be attending this conference?
Yeah. So only trained nurses and the non-trained nurses.
But what will be the number who will be attending?
Number will be 3,000 and plus.
So where it will be held?
It will be at Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, Dharwad.
When?
It will be on from 11 to 16. We have certain plans in the sense like from 11 to 13 there will be pre-conference meetings, and 13th we have our elections, central committee elections we have, and 14th and 15th will be the conference at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium.
So it includes elections, meetings, everything in it.
Everything together.
And elections for what it would be?
Elections are for the central committee. We have 5 zonal vice presidents and 1 national president. The elections are basically for that.
What is the total number of trained nurses in Goa?
In Goa we have 3,500.
What is the scenario as far as the working system, the government's policy towards the trained nurses, how it is? Is it good, bad, or what it is exactly?
No, that is like a systemic question, I think, so what you have asked for. Certain things are there which I will categorize. The private nurses are there, the nurses which are working in the PSCs at the, I mean to say, the root level and the indoor. I think the structural things are quite different from each other.
But there's no issues that would be discussed in this conference as far as nursing is concerned.
Yeah, the main issue which will come up is the shortage, which is globally is there. I cannot deny of it, but then it is a global thing which will be discussed.
Shortage of nurses. In Goa, what is the shortage?
Near and about the figure is touching not less than about 150 plus.
So how long this issue has been brought in front of the government?
This issue is there in front of the government for past many years together. I think basically if we talk about this issue, it will be like out of the concept. Let us stick on to the conference thing only. But this is the thing to be asked, I think, answered by the system as well.
Will you all be discussing how to create awareness among people to take up the career of nursing in the conference?
The conference actually has 3 sub-themes. Wilson, would you like to?
Basically, beside the main theme, there are 3 themes. One is a nurse practitioner. This is a concept which is there, like independent nurse practitioner, and it will be a revolution for the global nursing. Second theme, we have about the global standard in the nursing education. Like the nurse, whichever states or whichever country they are trained, they should be able to work any part of the world. So they are globally prepared. And third thing is about developing a leadership for global nursing. These are the main themes. Under these themes, different scientific papers will be discussed.
When a common man complains to you also, that complaints are not listened to. No, that's what I am saying.
No, actually, sir, I agree what you. I mean, I can get what you're you're saying, but there are many other issues which we should really look at. And you know what has happened? What happens sometimes? The one negative becomes highlighted. The lot of the good that is actually happening is sometimes not taken up. So my request to all the press, please also look at the good that nurses are doing.
Ma'am, this is...
No, please. People who are literally out of their way, staying on for duty, picking up people from the road and getting them into the hospital. They are all nurses. Maybe they don't talk about it, but there's a lot of good that nurses are doing.
Ma'am, then if there are number of good nurses, why when your association is there, why no action on such nurses who spoil the name of your these good nurses?
So actually what you said and what Sir Wilson...
Should the common man bring it to your association, such type of incident?
No, I think the press picks it out very well. But I'm just requesting the press to also bring the good part of it.
So press doesn't bring good part out of it?
Not really, not so often, sir. It becomes very... This is my... We all are readers and I love reading the paper. In fact, my day starts with that. So I believe that...
Everybody knows the incident, the current status of GMC, ma'am.
No, actually we do know. And we are working...
So if you all have an association, if you all don't bring it to the notice of the concerned minister or the government, how that system will be clean?
Regarding our problems also, we have put up to the government. It's in pipeline.
Because I have never heard you all saying about these things, ma'am.